Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma haka kendai terik Lber hajar arpuar. Pentip bagi jingle Iakynduh Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Perengu Amit Shah banekaran penbet uput usam hapreng ke Asamat Meghalaya kalak bandlong haka katsan nekat praterik menta ubrai Lber. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bau Menteri Korbari ke Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah phone ban pentip ban pen kendria ano ega jingelang syaka katsan terik menta ubnai bar pen pau bahagani kesni kadang don kadorbar haga jela Meghalaya. Bat ulai selok ru bat Menteri Rangba ke Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma bat menta gedang ab ban yo ega jing pentip ke bakam tikena na ke Sorkar Pedeng. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bau kemi lenti bagani ke jingelang on pendep hapo uni ubnai hi bat kala ban long haka katsan nekat praterik menta ubnai bat kidang ab ban penbet ya katarik.
Obviously, they will know there will never be a perfect solution out here where it'll be a win-win for us all the way. If you look at the overall situation, I was telling, I think the press also and others also, that a location like Tarabari, which is 4 square kilometers plus, has been an area which has been under the administrative control of Assam, and it has been an area which Assam has. People have been voting in Assam. People have the power connections, the water connections, the MGNREGA schemes. All of these have been coming from Assam, and technically, for all purposes, it was very much under the administrative control of Assam. But when we went into the discussion, since the terms of references spoke about people's will and talked about the ethnicity, when the public hearing took place, the people of Tarabari, all the 8 villages, if I'm not wrong, of these areas specifically said that they would like to be with Meghalaya. And that is why, based on that principle, even though it was an area which was with Assam in terms of administrative control, Assam, based on this principle, agreed to go ahead with giving us. So, yes, somebody might say that some acres or some 1.2 square kilometers has gone, but you have to look at the other side of the story and see the entire picture. One cannot discuss or look at this particular discussion or settlement in isolation as one location only. You need to see the entire picture of what we're trying to do and trying to find a solution that will be closest to being perfect, with small discussions and small issues that could be areas of concern. And that is what happened, and that's the reason why we had to take this discussion for a very long time, and ultimately we came to that conclusion. So yes, it's not been easy, it's been very tough, but we feel that the people of the state have suffered too long, and therefore we need to take a decision and we need to move forward. And we realized and we found that the principles based on which we have moved forward will be something that will be helpful for the people and will be in the interest of the people of Meghalaya.